All right, let's get going on our latest AI Practitioner exam bite, starting by reviewing the question from the previous episode, asking which of these is not a key consideration. And the answer is C, model architecture. While data curation, dataset size, data representativeness, and RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback, are all important aspects of preparing data for fine-tuning foundation model, the model architecture itself is not part of the data preparation process. The model architecture is a separate consideration related to the structure of the AI model, not the preparation of the training data. So today we're starting our next task statement, 3.4, describe methods to evaluate foundation model performance. With the exam objective, understand approaches to evaluate foundation model performance. For example, human evaluation or benchmark datasets. Now this video is going to be more of a summary of these topics, and the next two videos are going to dive into this topic much deeper, looking at particular metrics which can be used. So think of this as the entree before the main course to follow. Now when it comes to assessing how well a foundation model performs, we have two main approaches. The first is human evaluation. This involves real people reviewing the model's outputs. Human can assess things like coherence, relevance, and overall quality. It's great for catching nuances that automated metrics might miss. However, and this is probably what you're thinking, it can be time-consuming and quite subjective. So for a more efficient and objective measure, we have benchmark datasets. These are standardized datasets used to compare different models. They often cover various tasks like text generation, translation, or question answering. They provide a more objective and reproducible way to measure performance. That said, both approaches have their place. Human evaluation is excellent for assessing real-world applicability and catching subtle issues. Benchmark datasets are great for consistent comparisons across models and tracking progress over time. But remember, the best evaluation strategy often combines both methods to get a comprehensive view of model performance. Let's do a review question. Which of the following statements about evaluating foundation model performance is correct? A, human evaluation is always more accurate than using benchmark datasets. B, human evaluation is faster and less expensive than using benchmark datasets. C, benchmark datasets are the only objective way to measure model performance. Or D, a combination of human evaluation and benchmark datasets often provides the most comprehensive assessment. We'll review this in the next episode, where we're going to talk about the metrics which can be used to assess foundation model performance. As always, don't forget to follow, like, or subscribe if you enjoyed this episode, and tell your friends. See you in the next one.